Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel with another video. In this video we will learn how to make a low poly character of a man from this cube. So let's start. First of all, I will hide camera and light, and by selecting this cube, scaling to Y direction little bit, scaling to Z direction little bit like this. Now go to edit mode and make a loop cut in center like this. Another loop cut in horizontal like this. Press 1 for front view. Enable toggle X-ray with Alt Z. Selecting these left side vertices and press X to delete these vertices. Now you will see this half cube like this. Now again go to object mode and add modifier, mirror modifier, and enable clipping like this. Again go to edit mode like this. You will see a mirror of this cube. So select these down vertices, press G and X direction like this. Go to face mode, selection, press this, select this mode and extrude a little bit like this and scale down like this. Press 1 again and rotate a little bit, press S, Z and 0 for scaling and G like this. Again extrude, little bit scale, again extrude like this and a little bit scale again. Press now 3 for side view, again extrude like this. Disable toggle X-ray, select this face mode and extrude to Y direction like this and scale for Z direction like this. And this way. Now select this face again, press 1 for front view, again extrude up like this, little bit extrude again, select this face and little scale down little bit, again extrude and scale down, again scale for Y direction, a little bit more scale in Y direction like this. Now rotate and extrude. Now this way, extrude for arms, little bit scaling, again extrude and again scaling, sorry, again scaling like this. Now we will make hands. So extrude again little bit like this, scale for Z direction like this, scale for Y direction, again scale for Y direction and extrude for hand like this. It is much better I think. So select this face for head, press E and right click and scale like this. Scale again in X direction like this, go for Y direction again like this, go for Z direction like this and extrude at, press S, Z, 0, scaling. That is much better. Again press now 3 for side view, extrude again, shift R for again repeating the extrude. So select these faces, extrude in Y direction like this. Select this back face and go for little bit in Y direction. That's where. That is much better again. So come to select these front faces and scale. And like this, scale a little bit in X direction. Select upper face this one and rotate. Oh, like this. This one and rotate. That is much better view of a low poly character. So now select object mode, go to modify tab and add subdivision surface like this. You will see a little bit low poly character. Increase double to 2 or 3. This is much better. Now go to edit mode like this. Select this edge. Sorry, select vertices or edge. This one and scale to X direction. Make a loop cut, another loop cut here. Scale to X direction like this. We will make a little settings, more setting to make it more good. So go to legs, select this edge and G and Y direction a little bit. Select this one, scale to X, like this, like this. That is much better, I think. Friends, I think you will like this video. If you like, please subscribe and like my video.